Ah, shit. I thought I was recording this whole time. And it turns out I wasn't. Well, that's probably a good thing, considering I mentioned various names and was talking to some people. Ah, this is just me paddling down the Shannon. I'm too poor at the moment to afford a what are those camera things that you put onto the side of the canoe and let that do the work for you. So this is just my mobile phone. Yeah, I've been out here, I'd say, for at least an hour, if not more, just going up and just relaxing and look at all the swans. Look at those. Look. I'd love to get right up next to one because I know the camera on this phone isn't the best. But Jesus Christ, I am having fantastic crack out here. Like, I mean, I am just on a piece of plastic on a river, giving my arms a crazy workout as I propel my fat arse along the Shannon. But Christ, am I having a good time. Sunny days, glorious day. Oh my God. Birds everywhere, swallows flying all over the place. Just on my way back now, I made it up with Classy. Actually, I think I saw Vincent. So I'm pretty sure Vincent would have a better idea of where we were. I don't think we were fully out in UL, but we were close enough. It's going to be way faster getting back anyway, because I have the current on my side. Just have to mind the rocks. Yeah. Oh, I'm glad I got out today. I really am. I was going nuts. This came on Thursday. And then, of course, I had that tragedy out in Killaloe. Had me second guessing myself. But I have a life jacket. I can swim. And, well, land is right over there, so. And the swans are there. The swans will save me, I suppose. You know, if I get into difficulty, they'll just come over and peck the living shit out of me. Right. Back to paddling.